Gastite's patent-pending fitting includes fully reusable components and an exclusive self-guiding assembly that ensures a perfectly even flare every time. The toolless fitting features a metal-to-metal seal, so there's no gaskets, O-rings, or tiny split rings. Gastite's patent-pending jacket lock design locks the jacket in place so there is no exposed stainless steel beyond the nut, creating an integral jacket-to-fitting assembly not found with other systems. This makes Gastite the best corrosive-resistant fitting-to-pipe assembly for use in flexible gas piping applications. Gastite flexible gas piping is designed to work as a system. Therefore, only the components provided or specified by Gastite are to be used in the installation. Use of components from other CSST systems is strictly prohibited and may result in poor system performance. First, with a standard tubing cutter, make a cut on a straight length of tubing centered between two corrugations. Use light roller pressure and extra rotations in one direction to leave the tubing round and free of burrs. Using a utility knife, strip the plastic jacket back to the valley of the second corrugation. By removing only the required amount of the plastic jacket and no more, you're able to take full advantage of the jacket lock feature to produce a polished, professional-looking installation. One word of caution, though. Be careful with the end of the tubing because it is now very sharp. With the fitting body threaded into the gas appliance or manifold, slide the nut over the tubing. Next, separate the bushing by pulling the two halves apart. These are supplied together for ease of handling. Place the bushing halves onto the tubing and jacket as shown, ensuring that there is one corrugation between the end of the bushing and the tubing end. At this point, the bushings will begin to lock the jacket for a contaminant-resistant seal. Next, insert the bushings into the fitting body as shown. Notice that no pipe dope or thread sealant is required here. Now, slide the nut over the bushings and thread it onto the fitting body. Continue wrenching the nut to compress the last corrugation into the sealing surface. At this point, wrenching resistance will begin to increase. To make the wrenching process easy and prevent the tubing from turning on the sealing surface, it's important to remember to rotate the nut and not the fitting adapter body. From here, wrench the nut 2 hex flats more and you're done. Simple as that. The Gastite termination fitting provides a fixed point stub out for connection to movable appliances such as a range or a dryer. As you'll see, assembly of the Gastite termination fitting is similar in fashion to the XR fitting. First, with the mounting flange over the tubing, attach the brass mechanical fitting as previously illustrated. Next, thread the mounting flange onto the fitting. Use care when tightening the flange as you do not want to twist the tubing. Finally, secure the termination assembly in place. Should you need to extend the Gastite flexible tubing, there are several ways to accomplish this. A coupling designed by Gastite may be used to join 2 lengths of tubing. To connect CSST systems from different manufacturers, simply thread each manufacturer's fitting into a rigid pipe coupling.